texture. Yeah, just look at it. Yeah, these are fork tender now, so we're just gonna pull them out, and we're just gonna turn off the fire and just allow it to cool, and then we're just gonna start blending. Okay, stay tuned. Yes guys, this is half of the Jamaican maca breadfruit. Yeah, so we're gonna use the Jamaican maca breadfruit to do the sponge. So we're just having it boiled now with some cinnamon leaf. Yeah, you know, cinnamon leaf give it that flavor. Yeah, so we have the cinnamon leaf boiling along with the breadfruit. So this is gonna give it that kick, that flavor at the end. So getting the breadfruit to a soft texture, and then after which we're gonna cool, and then we're gonna do the magic. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we have our breadfruit that was boiled, fork tender. Yes, and we have supplicant, dragon, nutmeg. We have this vanilla with spice, and you know, flavoring again. Lasco, go with it, and we're gonna use just one banana, frozen banana, ripe banana, to just give it some sweetening. Yeah, so we're not going to use any sugar of that sort. So we're just gonna put a few breadfruit into the blender. And just put them in. Okay, there you have it. All right, we're gonna dash, you know, supplicant. Yeah. Gonna put in this dragon stout. Give it that, yeah, that buzz. Right. So now we're just gonna blend that before we put in anything else. Let me just check, and that, yeah, it's not totally blend out, guys, as you can see. It is not totally liquefied as yet, so I'm just gonna give it some nutmeg. Yeah, not too much, little spice. Yeah, just a little tips. Alright. Yeah, cup full of the vanilla. Alright. Yeah. You can see that smooth consistency come into play now. Okay, good. Yeah man, that's what we're looking for. Now I'm gonna just add the one frozen banana and just whip him again. Look at that. Yeah, you get in there. Okay, let me just get a quick taste. Okay, smooth. This is smooth, real smooth. All right, let me just put a pinch of salt. And you know, good Jamaican honey, no sugar additive, just straight honey from the cone. Yeah, and just 2 teaspoons. So these are our sweetening aid, and just gonna scoop out some of the real flavoring, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys, so I just go ahead and add all the remaining fruits with the water to the punch, and now I'm just gonna give it the final blend. Yeah, as you can see, just look at the consistency, smooth right through. So I'm just gonna whip it and blend it for a couple more seconds and then pour them out. Okay, so now we have this breadfruit punch ready to chill and then drink. So let me just transfer them into the glass jar and then put into the fridge to cool for about an hour, because this is pretty thick, you know, smooth. So I need a lot of cooling time so that when you're drinking, it's just refreshing, smooth. So gonna put in the fridge for about an hour and then pour your first glass. Okay, stay tuned. There we have it, guys. Chilling for over an hour now, so I'm just gonna pour it out. Now look at that consistency. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, your breadfruit punch, rich, thick, creamy, smooth. Yeah. So, yeah, there you have it. Our breadfruit punch. So go ahead, guys. Look at that. Rich, creamy, smooth. Yes, look at that. Breadfruit punch. Yes. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Keep showing the love. And we keep providing you with all these authentic Jamaican recipe, punch, juice, you name it. have it. Yeah, one final pre, guys. Look at that. Breadfruit punch, breadfruit smoothies, just whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's the breadfruit magic, breadfruit punch. Yes, let me just take a sip.